I would like to show everyone the refrigeration system has both a freezer and refrigerator, two different doors. So when you come up to the Norcold unit, you can see the green light on the actual button here. That does mean it's on. Push it once and it will tell you what it's actually using, and right now the mode is automatic and it's using shore power and it's on full blast. Push it again, you can actually turn it down or turn it up. And then here, when you're driving, you want to make sure that it is on gas and not on battery. Very important. So I'm going to put it back to electric since we are on shore power.